What's up guys, Daystar here with another video, and after a long time or long break from YouTube, I'm back here with another new video and exciting video. So today I have my hands on the new virtual reality glasses VR box. So here it is. You guys can see here everything is possible if you change another eye looking to this world. Interesting. So let's get and open it. I'm going to open that up. So we'll take that. As you guys can see here is our VR 3D glasses, and you guys can see. And here is some types of paper and a cleaning go there. So here is the instruction that how will you guys use your VR box. You can simply scan the QR code for various apps, and here is, I don't know what's that. This is something like rubber or what else. So yeah, let's get that thing out. Here, that's the main purpose of our video. So here is the main VR. You can simply slide that up, and this can be used for camera, 3D camera I think so. And yeah, here is a place where you guys can enter your phone. You guys can simply place your phone here to watch something in it in 3D and go in the 3D world. So yeah, so here are the lenses through which you guys can see something three-dimensional, such as three-dimensional film. And here are, I think, these are the adjustment tools where you guys can change the focus or zoom of your videos. I don't know that if this thing is for focus or zoom purpose. Here is a slider from which you can move your lens left or right to, because not everyone have the phone with same size, so it will be for size differences. So, and if you guys slide it up and down, it will zoom in or zoom out from your VR or to mobile, left or right for mobile size, I hope so. So this is the VR glasses or VR box I was going to unbox. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you dislike my video, please dislike it.